Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talkora English. I'm John.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma. We're so happy you're here today.
Today, we're going to practice English together. Don't worry if you're a beginner.
Just listen, repeat, and enjoy learning.
Today's topic is first day at work. Let's begin. Emma, do you remember your first day at work?
Oh yes, I remember everything. I was very nervous. Everything was new. New people, new office, new boss, everything.
That's completely normal. I felt the same way. I was very nervous. Again, I was very nervous. Excellent.
What about you? Were you nervous?
Yes, very nervous. I woke up early. I couldn't sleep well the night before.
Really?
Yes, I checked my bag 3 times. My phone, my wallet, my notebook, everything.
That's funny. I did the same thing. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I woke up early. Again, I woke up early. Excellent! Now repeat. I couldn't sleep well.
Welcome to today's vocabulary break. Today's word is nervous.
I was nervous on my first day.
Now repeat after me. Nervous.
Very good!
When I arrived at the office, I didn't know anyone.
Did someone help you?
Yes. She simply said, "Welcome." I was so relieved.
A simple smile can make a big difference.
It is time for a viewer speaking challenge. Imagine today is your first day at work. How do you feel? Pause the video and say 1 sentence.
That is great!
Let us continue.
My manager introduced me to everyone. He said, "This is Emma." Everyone smiled. Everyone said, "Nice to meet you."
Did you remember everyone's names?
No! I forgot almost every name.
That's okay. It happens to everyone. What was the hardest part?
Using the computer, there were so many new programs, I felt confused.
Did someone help you?
Yes, my teammate was very kind. I felt much better after that.
After work, how did you feel?
Tired. I learned many new things. I also made new friends.
Every first day is difficult, but every second day becomes easier. Repeat after me.
I was nervous.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Everyone was friendly.
Everyone was friendly.
Practice every day.
Practice every day.
Fantastic job today.
You practiced English with us. That's a great word.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Keep listening, listening.
Thanks for watching Talkora English. Today's homework is very simple. Introduce yourself in English. What's your name? Where do you work?
How would you feel on your first day? Write your answers in the comments.
Practice speaking aloud. Fantastic job today.
You practiced English with us. Step forward.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Keep listening.
Thanks for watching Talkora English. See you in the next lesson.